All right, so we're on the last question on test 2 part 2, question number 10. So question number 10 says 4 times 10 to the fifth power joules of work are done on a 1,167 kilogram car while it accelerates from 10 meters per second to some final velocity. Find its final velocity. So we're going to be using, let me see, we're going to be using speed, okay, nice, yes. So we're going to use the kinetic energy equation or mass of accumulation equation. It's gonna be one half mass find 2 minus 1/2 mv initial square is the work. So we have 4.00 times 10 to the fifth equals 1/2 mass of 1,167. Final v square minus, let's say, the initial square. So this comes out to be 4.00 times 10 to the fifth, and if we divide 1,167 divided by 2, we get 583.5. V final square minus 100, and if we multiply these two by these two values, we get 583.5 minus 5,835. Yep, 5,835. 4.00 times 10 to the 5. So let's add 58350 to this side. 58350. This cancels out, so we end up with 5.00 times 10. 4.0 times 10 to the fifth plus 58350. We end up with 58350, 583.5. So 583.5, 583.5. RV square is 785.52. We get the square root. Our final becomes 785.52, 28 meters per second. So our final value is 28 meters per second, which corresponds to letter C. So our final answer is C.